So many successful professionals in their own fields like doctors, engineers, CA, management professionals do harbor a dream. Can I leave my job in which I have proved myself to be really good and use my intelligence to earn great living through options trading or stock market? I remember a doctor who charges 30K for a surgery used to call me saying, "Sir, I feel so happy in case I make even 10,000 rupees in options trading, and in fact, I feel much happier than what I make doing one surgery." Hugely successful in one profession, but what happens when you come to options trading? Let us discuss this real life problem in today's video, and I call it as a success trap. Many of you might have gone through it personally, and even I have gone through it personally. Welcome to another video by the Options School, and I am your friend Pradeep Singla. I have made this transition from a great corporate career to options trader, and hence definitely would like to share my experiences. In your office, you are the person people come to for answers. Whether you are an engineer or doctor or an IT lead, you are paid to be right. Your career is built on the fact that when you apply your expertise, the problem gets solved. You are the expert. You approach markets with the same expert mindset that if I do everything right, I am the expert and markets have to oblige. But this transition is not that straight. Markets are definitely too challenging to follow this straight line of thinking. The market doesn't care about anything, our degrees or our any professional standing also. It is not a puzzle or not a problem to be solved. It is basically a stream of probabilities to be managed and managed successfully. What are the things that market appreciates? Or we can say what are the changes we must bring in our thought process to be successful in this second profession also? Let us find it out. Any professional would need to cross these three psychological traps to make a much smoother transition to a full-time options trading, or maybe a major portion of his income should be coming through options trading. We must overcome these three traps. Let us quickly discuss them one by one. Hope whatever I am talking is resonating with you. Please click the like button and subscribe button for better reach and visibility. Thanks in advance. First bias is the expert bias. In our fields of expertise, we are wired for an equation which says intelligence plus hard work leads to better results. And we have seen that working in past so many years for us. But when it comes to trading, trying harder means over trading or over adjusting the positions when desired results are not coming. When things go wrong, instead of admitting our mistake, the professional in us try to outthink the market. We think since I am so smart, market should follow my logic. But market doesn't care about your degrees or seniority. You need to adapt yourself according to the market, and market will not adapt based on your experience. So you become a learner, become a sponge. This is the most important step for becoming a successful trader and doing this transition successfully. Second trap is that fixer mentality. As a professional, we are used to fixing problems. We have that never give up attitude which has stood for us for years. So when trade goes wrong, we want to fix it by pouring more capital, more resources, the way we had always been doing in past. In trading, this can be termed as averaging your losses. When your trade goes wrong, you feel you have invested too much of time and money now to walk away. You double down or over adjust to justify your initial decision till all your margin is used. A loss is not a stain or mistake, it's just part of game. Carefully create your system, and if system says exit, exit. Do not fight the markets. Market is too big to budge before you, like your staff maybe. Third and most critical trap is the income pressure. When I left my job to become a full-time trader, I was in a state of mind to prove to everyone else that I have taken a great decision. In doing so, I tried everything under the sky, technicals, options, intraday, and whatnot, to realize that I am just overburning myself. Then I decided to choose my battles and removed 70 to 75% of things from my trades. Definitely, there is an anxiety to replace your job income as fast as possible, and this is a very big trap. Fact of the matter is, market can smell scared money. I do not know how. And then market is very cruel. If you have taken loans for trading or you want monthly household expense from the market, it is definitely a scared money. Better not to get into this trap. Use only surplus money, and any kind of loss should not be changing your lifestyle at all. Then only you can survive these markets. A successful professional manages a kind of certainty, but a successful trader always manages uncertainty. So, trading is the only profession where forgetting who you are is the first step to success. So, what are those three traps to avoid? First, you might be a great expert in your job. Here, you are a learner, and hence start slow and then slowly scale up. Second, do not pour more money on bad trades. Loss is also part and parcel of the game, and nobody is going to write your appraisal. Learn to close early if things go wrong. It is the best thing you can do in trading. Third, do not allow the market to see that your money is a scared money. Trading full time with loan is a big no. And you must keep at least 1 year of your household expense with your spouse before jumping into full time trading. Otherwise, you can continue your existing profession and trade part time. There are so many great strategies for working professionals. I am leaving you with one of such strategies which you can utilize. Also, to enhance your knowledge, do join our silver membership. At a very small cost, you get a lot of exclusive guidance which can be standing between you and any big blowout in your account. See you in the next video. Bye.